Hi, this is Zarik Daniel, and the video title for this video is USA Math, the pioneer of system engines. I am the pioneer of the system engines, and nobody else in the world can do this thing, and it's only me, so listen carefully what I'm saying. But before I want to start, I need to go to demonstrate a horrible thing that I actually experienced. Of course, here I am. You can see this one moves. Oh, great. Can I change the size? Not change. Here you can see that I'm moving this one, and it's, the software working here, so I can go the full screen. You can see me full, and I can go here, and of course, I can just show this one here, and this means you can see the full screen. Plus, I can bring the, my style that I was about to say. So let's just demonstrate at least my, because it's beautiful that you can see me here. This is a book. The name of the book is What Technology Wants. As a person who is interested in system engines, my dear, here I'm in the United States, I love this country, and I will become a citizenship, so I will write in English. I will write, okay, I will write here, I'll go here, and I will choose based on, again, IQ thing that I'm always mentioning. My IQ is this screen. So it is USA Math. And USA Math is what? As I said, is, of course, pioneer. Wait a minute. This is A, right? Pioneer of system engines. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, fancy. But it's not fancy. And of course, I always like to write the date. Of course, I use always, I like to use, you see what I'm doing, right? Right now, I will not be, I use the black baby somewhere here. Today is, because, I always like to see the watch, my Apple Watch is not in my hand, it's 11:26, so today is, as you see, I think there is a time, right? Today is 4, what is the month? Of course, the month is 4, oh my gosh, 4/25th. Yesterday was 25th, or this 5 has a problem with this 5. I do have all this problem with this 5. 2016. And I always like to, I'm kind of, that I'm interested in chess, so today, right now, the time is 11 and 12. Of course, this will turn to AM, and it's night. Right now, it's PM. So, right now, 26, so we are here, because I separate the 1 hour to 4 times, and that's the way I like to organize and manage my time. So in this book, I learned every alphabet, because I need to just go over this when I show you the book. And here is a beautiful an application. Here is the iPhone, and there is a beautiful app. It says YouVersion Bible. And my interest, the chapter in the Bible that I do really was interested is this.
The Gospel according to John, chapter 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The same was in the beginning with God. All things were made by him, and without him was not anything made that was made. In him was life, and the life was the light of men. and the light shineth in dark.
It's so beautiful. It's John chapter 1. And it says at the beginning, I'm reading this. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. My dear, when you're listening to a person like me who talks about system engines, of course, I will extend this video, I will categorize it, I will, go step by step, because I am the only person capable of managing a lot of data parallel. I said, this is, you need to, I don't know, man. If anybody is better than me, better than me. If it's not better than me, I am better than him or her. So, oh my gosh, there is a dude who's just... the Uber sent me, what could we do to improve experience driving with Uber? These are, I cannot, because, this is kind of a question. It's kind of, I need to spend a little bit of time. Man, I want to talk about the system engines. Because, for Uber, my project is, self-driving cars. For Uber, for chess, of course, if you see, we have chess, then we have chess engines. Engine for, of course, I bring this Bible thing, John chapter 1. John chapter 1. You read this and you will learn chess engine, then we have self-driving car engine, then we have political engines, political engines. The best example is, here I just go to my point. In political engines, I can write it. Political engines is, the current one is Illuminati. Plus classical layer. Classical layer is, I will say, 60% Illuminati, 40% classical layers. And I will go, how this combination of Illuminati and, of course, new Illuminati, and these are the engines, political engines, based on, the engine's quality. Chess engines, have different type of, kind of not a different type of output. Chess engines are chess engines. Self-driving car engines are self-driving cars. And political engines that currently, I will say, that is obvious, self-car engine, right? But political, of course, chess, maybe I should just go kind of logical games. Again, I need to use this color, logical games. Because it was logical games. And from logical games, chess, logical games, engines. Self-driving cars, of course, cars. Then car engines, self-driving car, then car, then self-driving. Political, then you come here, the Illuminati. I mean, let's go. I mean, those were red, you know. This was red, you know, the way that I go. This red. This one is red. Chess. Then self-driving car goes to car, because you know when you want to create database, you need to. This is something, a blueprint that you classify, and you just organize your mental chart to reach to your point. And of course, I am the only person, and I will higher rate and put things. You know, if you are going to be member of USA Math.org, or I don't care if you are not, whoever meet whoever, you know, I don't know, man. I'm just, oh my gosh, it's so dirty these days. A lot of psychopathic people in the business, YouTube business, or a lot of businesses that you cannot make difference from who is right and who is wrong. At least I have this method, then you can follow the pattern that I am following. So this was my explanation of about the engines, and I mentioned this beautiful John. What was my point? Let's clean this. How is cleaning works? Let's clean. Okay. My thing is coding. When it says the word is coding, man, my dear, you code, right? But there is, because I don't have to go here. Here is the tricky part, because digesting my words. I understand. What happened? Because I understand. I know what you mean. Oh, you knew what I mean? Really? I don't think so. I don't think you know what I mean. If you know what I mean, then you're gonna text me and show me a video or something that is proof that you know. Oh my gosh. I know what you mean. I understand. Oh my gosh, why it's not? Got it. Because I need to put this one clean. When I'm putting this one, then I need to go here. Okay. Coding is exactly the God. The God is the coding. That's the God. And coding is, you know, when you code, the code is the God. And the God is the code. And when you say, I mean, because, you know, we have antimatter. Antimatter. Where is antimatter? I'm showing you where is antimatter. Inside of my brain. 5 grams of antimatter, 5 grams of it is equal to 4 hydrogen bomb. And in my, you know, I will not say my brain, the whole brain is kind of antimatter exists in my brain, but I can, you know, I'm sure, you know, God knows, you know, because when you have antimatter, you can control everything, almost everything, right? So I know what I'm saying, I know what I'm doing, and I'm telling you, the code is a God, God is the code, and based on antimatter, you know, understanding of antimatter, you will understand at you will understand my words. And it seems a little bit, it seems so ridiculous. It seems so ridiculous the way that I explain. My point is, I will break all these things down, and I will just show, you know, what I was meant based on USA Math videos, going through step-by-step basic mathematical chess and coding. Even myself right now, I don't know any coding. Believe me, I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna show what it means to have to be a person who is really faithful to Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. And the other thing I want to show, I'm going to close this, and then, of course, it is hide. Moreover, I want to go, I want to be in this corner, and I want to close this one. Oh my gosh, when I close that one, I'll be still there. I want to close that one, and I want to show something here. This person, because I know the Persian, and this person asks, a Persian people, academic Persian people, to spell the alphabet, to just repeat the alphabet of Persians. I'm gonna Persian alphabet. Because right now, people are just, because I said for coding, you could C++ coding, whatever, but learn, of course, English is beautiful. I know A, B, C, D, F, G, I know all of that, all of the Persian alphabet. And then here we go. At least I want to show these people, you should know. It says A, B, Aleph, B, P, T, S, Jim, Ch, He, Che, Dal, Zal, Re, Z, J, Se, She, Se, Sat, Zat, Ta, Za, Ein, Rein, Fe, Raf, Ke, Ge, Lam, Mim, Nun, Vav, Ye, He. And as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. So you have 27, 28, 9, 30, 31, 32. We have 32 Persian alphabet because, we are people start to, they don't read. Have you ever read any Persian book, or have you ever read any, do you know really Arabic alphabet? Because you just, of course, me myself, I have my personal opinion about Islam religion, but there could exist some population of Christian Persians or Christian. They have their own community, but even the Muslim ones, you need to know this coding. Let's go with Arabic alphabet. Arabic alphabet. These are coding, man. You want to learn Arabic alphabet? And I'm gonna go, of course, Greek alphabets, most of Greek, mathematics. So, Aleph, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Z, Zai, Sin, Shin, Sad, Zat, Ta, Za, Ein, Rein, Fa, Raf, Kaf, Lam, Mi. Is this Arabic? Arabic. It's just the same as Persian. Raf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Ha, Wa, Ya, Hamza. So this is Arabic. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. So they have 29. They have 29. Okay. And you have Fatha, Kasra, Zamma, Fatha, Fatha, Alef, Kasra, Ya, Zamma, Wa. عشرة تسعة صفر واحد اثنان سلة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة عشرة. I can learn these languages fast, if for circumstances. So I'll go this one, and I go Armenian alphabet. My kind of Armenian. Armenian alphabet that I need to show at the end, and we were the first Christians, and I'm in trouble because a person like me, I wish I was you know, I will be safe in these countries. I mean, Iran and Armenia. I will learn all these things. A, B, G, D, Y, Z, E, T, J, I, L, H, C, K, H, Ç, G, Ç, G, Ç, M, I, N, Ş, V, C, B, C, R, S, V, T, R. This was T. Do I don't know. This was J. This T, U, P, K, Y, O, F. So we have this Eastern. Maybe I would say Eastern is much more richer. Same as Western. Huh? Yeah, Western. Check it out. So as you see, as a system engine, as I bring this as a first video, I'm pioneer of it, and of course, in the USA Math platform, you're gonna watch this video. You see, you know, here you see this is programming. Chess is online. You know, I mean, usamath.org will be some platforms that you see this chess. And man, I solved a problem today. I just want to go over that one. You know, I like a person who understands me. If you don't understand me, don't watch, don't listen. Tactician, oh my gosh. Dictator people will follow tactical things. I wish somebody will put some comments and something. Where is a database of things that I did? Because I want to show you some. I think I went through over. This is the new version of it. I wish there was some way that I can show my last puzzle that I solved. So this one? I mean, these are so dynamic. As you see, it's so weak here. This king is so vulnerable. It is so vulnerable. Oh, you know what is the solution? In my opinion, it was this one, because you just at least give the check. And if the dude takes this one, at least you can take the rook. Was that better option? What is the better option? Ah, it says take the rook. Okay, gotcha. It says, and I figured it out. You take that one, you take this one. It's kind of, oh, so that dude didn't took it. Ah, oh my gosh. Am I really the highest IQ? And based on antimatter, it is highest IQ because I'm showing you what is IQ. IQ is doing things, commenting, subscribing. Oh my gosh. Whew. Let's close this video.